Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to another video. It's Golitech. Today I have a really short video just but it's really important, yeah. So and we want to see how we can enable purge protection for Key Vault and Azure, yeah. So let's get started without killing the time. As you can see here, I have a couple of Key Vaults here on my Azure, and then this is the Key Vault that I want to work today with. And you can see I just select the Key Vault, and then in the setting you can go there and in properties, and then here there are the settings of your Key Vault, and you can check here days to return the deleted vaults, which is for the soft enable, and here you can see the purge protection, yeah. So you can also configure that by when you are creating the Key Vault, but after that also it's possible when you come here to the Key Vault setting, yeah. But when you enable that, you see once enabled, this option cannot be disabled. So when we enable purge protection, so it will be always enabled and we cannot disable it again. So let's see how it works. And now we just enable that, and then that's the case, yeah. So it's working. If we go to overview, let's say we want to delete this, so we will delete the Key Vault, but purge protection will protect it against deleting totally, yeah. So now it is deleted, but it's still recoverable. So if we come here, manage delete vaults, we will see that. But just before going there, so the idea of purge protection is keep the Key Vaults in the retention policy before in the retention period before we can totally delete it from our Azure, yeah. And if we open the manage delete vaults, so you can see here we select the subscription, and this was the key that we just deleted, right? And if I select it, and I can of course recover it, and if I want to purge it, you can see we want to delete it, and now I will get an error, yeah. So failed to delete it because it's not allowed, yeah. And yeah, it was a really short video, but make sure that all of your Key Vaults are purge protected because it's extremely important feature, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Have a nice day. See you. Bye bye.